Hello, everyone. Kathy Sabeda, mortgage planner and proud veteran. I am here, video number 3. And we're going to talk about the alternative way. If you wanted to buy investment property, do you know that you can potentially qualify with just the rent itself? That's why I have Janice here. Janice, thank you again for having me here. Can you please explain how this rent cash flow works?
Absolutely. It's great to be here with you, Kathy, explaining if you want to buy an investment property, you don't have to qualify with income. So it's an amazing way to be able to buy an investment property. If you're already an investor, you sometimes qualifying with your tax returns can be really complicated. So all you have to do is pick a property that can afford itself. Can the rental payment cover the mortgage payment? It's that easy. So it's
Wow.
really a great program. And it also kind of gives you a reality check to see if your property is going to cash flow, right?
Mhm.
We do that kind of investigation up front for you and say, yeah, your property can cash flow. You already know the house can afford itself and you qualify for DSCR.
So what does that mean in layman's terms for the rest of you? Okay, let's say you have a property and let's say it has 2 units on it and you're getting X amount of money from here and X amount of money from here, and your mortgage is over here. We want these two to at least equal the mortgage, correct?
Exactly.
That's it. Not
And
over.
yeah.
That's it. That's how simple it could be.
And on a purchase, you do not need the property to be leased already. There doesn't
Oh,
have
that's
to be
fabulous.
tenants.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
wonderful.
So how do we know what it'll rent out for? Well, there's a form on an appraisal that the appraiser will tell us the market rents, and that's what we will use. It's that simple.
That simple. So you need to give Janice a call. Janice, how can they reach you?
They can reach me at 619-838-7588. Don't forget to mention Kathy's video so we can stay connected.
You got it. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.